No, absolutely. This is really the origins of why we built Inflo, not just built the platform, but also in the way that we built the platform. And you can think of Inflo from a software perspective as being five key ingredients. So it's the digital collaboration capabilities to be able to facilitate that prepared by client process, organize, structure, make that more collaborative, and some big efficiency opportunities for firms that aren't already leveraging cloud portal capabilities. But really, it's when we start to graduate beyond the PBC exchange that we start to find some really interesting opportunities. So first and foremost, how can we acquire the data from the client's accounting system? And our approach is to really extend that PBC process and say, well, rather than uploading discrete files, let's now capture the data from the client's accounting system. Let's make that really easy for the client to be able to upload and extract from whatever accounting system they're using. And then it's lean on automation and a team of experts we have here at Inflo to really perform that transformation of the data to make sure it's complete, it's accurate, but it's also in a common data model format to then drive some of the automation opportunities that exist. Those opportunities sit with things like data analytics, where we produce in the platform automated analytics that are driven based on the data, so we can jump auditors straight to the interpretation part of performing data analytics, rather than them spending hours or maybe even days preparing the data to be able to get to the analysis. The same analytics on every single client, regardless of accounting system. And then we can blend that into the work papers product that we have. So we've built and developed our own proprietary audit methodologies, which handle the US and international auditing requirements, auditing standards. We cover not just audits, but the broader spectrum of engagements that CPA firms will be performing, housed in our own audit platform, our engagement documentation platform. So combining the methodology, the platform, the data analytics, the data acquisition, and the collaboration capabilities brings together an incredibly powerful platform for performing audit engagements. And then when you layer over the top of that the quality management capabilities that we have to be able to help firms implement the new quality management standards, you can layer over the top of the engagement delivery the ability to not just implement a system of quality management, but really bring one to life as and when we're performing engagements. And a key thing we've done is we've layered into the platform our expertise and our knowledge to be able to support the change management that firms need alongside the technology. And the approach that we've taken through breaking that up into constituent parts gives firms the flexibility to be able to take one of two approaches. So what firms can do is take what we would call an incremental approach to their digitalization. And that's where they maybe stay with their existing methodology or audit platform, and they start to build into their overall process new capabilities. So take a small part of what the Inflo platform can do and bring it in alongside some of the existing technologies, tools, and methods that are being used. So we'll often see firms perhaps implementing just the client collaboration piece of the technology, or starting to bring data analytics in alongside their existing methodology. The alternative approach, though, is to move and take on a larger transformational step and move from a disparate, disjointed set of tools, technologies, and processes into one single, coherent, integrated platform. And that's a unique offering that we have to be able to allow firms to migrate to a single application that's doing what a broad spectrum of tools currently offer. And those aren't necessarily mutually exclusive. We'll see some firms take an incremental approach to begin with and move through that journey to move to a fully transformational approach to their CPA firm. So inherently flexible and able to really target the specific needs of the firm at the specific time, while also allowing plenty of room for the firm to grow into new and more powerful capabilities.